Hi guys, today we are going to solve our equation. Let's see. There is one flower. Five bees were buzzing around a tasty flower. Draw the flower and the bees. Draw two more came to join them. How many total bees shown number bond? Now there is one tasty flower. Now there are five bees that came to buzz on this flower. They're trying to take their nectar. Now two more join them. One joined and now two joined. Total is 7 buzzing bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this bee just flew away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? As this one was trying to flew away, I got an idea that we can do 7 minus 1. And 7 minus 1 is 6. This one just flew away. Now there are 6 buzzing bees. Okay, right? Now I will keep the flower away and we're talking about something else now. Now we have to draw the number bond. We are going to draw a number bond over here. I got my marker set. Now let's see over here. 7. There are 7. I made my number bond. There are 7 bees, right? With the 7 bees, now 7 will split into 5 and 2. I write 5 and now I make 2. 7 equals 5 plus 2, right? Or 2 plus 5 or 5 plus 2. I keep this back and now I keep my whiteboard aside. Now let's start doing. 7 is the number bond of 5 plus 2. Now I'm going to take this stick and add 5 in here like this. 1, 1 and 2. Wait. 2 and now 3 and 4 and 5. We got 5 of these. Now we are going to break it. I will show you. We're going to break it. And when it's broken, it will look like this. 1 and 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Or we can do like this. 5 equals 4 plus 1. Or 1 plus 4, 5. There are plenty of equations to make 5. Bye.